पुलिस हैदराबाद सिटी अंबरपेट पुलिस स्टेशन में एक किडनैप केस में 10 लोगों को अरेस्ट किया। इनको ने विक्टिम को नाम मंत्री श्याम है। उनका पत्नी माधवी लता A1 का एक प्लान किया। इसके बारे में 10 लोग इन्वॉल्व करे। किडना विक्टिम को किडनैप करने के बाद उन्हों से टेकिंग मनी फ्रॉम द विक्टिम दे किडनैप्ड द victim on 29th October 2025 at evening 5:30, and we got an information on the same day at 8:30. Based on that information, we registered a case and searched for the accused and victim. During the course of investigation, we found one vehicle abandoned at Charlapalli limits in the forest area. From there, we got some information. Based on that information, later during the course of investigation, we got to know that it was planned by the A1, who was his ex-wife, and along with other 9 members, she planned and kidnapped him to get money from him. So today we arrested all those 10 persons and recovered 3 cars and 2 two-wheelers and 8 cell phones from the accused persons.